Hello all, welcome to Bona Dea Fashions. In this video, we are going through a very pretty collection of semi-soft silk sarees. All these sarees are light in weight, soft in nature and very comfortable to wear for any kind of occasions. The sarees are coming with beautiful putta weavings throughout the body along with symmetrical borders and rich pallu and a plain blouse. And this beautiful set are priced at 800 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and other states the shipping charges be from 20 and maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. If you guys like our collections, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.